Every morning, I start my work in the kitchen to prepare fresh bread. First, I peel the plastic wrap off the large bowl of dough that rose overnight. I measure the flour and yeast carefully to make sure the bread is perfect. Then, I knead the dough on a wooden table until it feels smooth. I season the top of the loaves with a little bit of sea salt and rosemary. After that, I shape the dough into long baguettes and round rolls. I preheat the large stone oven to a very high temperature. While the oven gets hot, I stir a sweet sugar glaze in a small pot on the stove. I place the trays inside the oven and wait for the bread to turn golden brown. Once they are finished, I cool the loaves on a wire rack so they stay crunchy. Finally, I serve the warm bread to the customers who visit my shop.